I haven't been applying to jobs on Upwork, and I recently noticed I have 170 free connects, and I'm pretty sure they expire, so I want to use them. Wait, there's a button that says free connects. Should I? Oh, I need to do a separate video on this. Get 30 connects next month by completing tasks that help you find work. I am going to film this right after this live. Wait, can you get a total of 30 free connects each month? Oh my god. I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be excited to hear this, myself included. Find a job and submit a proposal. That's what I'm hoping to get done today. Boost your profile for one day. Hold on. How much is a profile boost for one day? Because I doubt it's that cheap. Wait, can I literally spend one connect and get 20? That's kind of OP, not gonna lie. Another thing, you can enable the availability badge. How much is that? Okay, so it's basically 2 connects per day, 14 per week. I am so against these things that I just don't care for them. Respond to an offer. That's something you can do for free if you do get offers. You can also respond to an invite. That's good. Have an active contract. Okay, so that's the one that I did this month. I wonder if this is on top of or as part of the typical free connects. It doesn't say. That's the thing. It doesn't say about this new thing. So I earned connects by completing a task on July 19th for some reason. I don't remember. And I wish this said what the task was. That would be nice. But yeah, I remember I had 140 earlier this week. So got 30 free connects this week. Not bad for someone who doesn't really use the platform as much anymore.